Products in the process industry usually come with lots of technical documents. No matter how simple the product or project scope is, hundreds of paper pages are in demand to take it on. Especially since the deliverables involved include drawings, material certificates, factory testing documents, and maintenance and installation manuals. As our world becomes more digital, switching to a more sustainable and effective medium than paper is a priority. So how can you make the leap to a digital document and product control cycle? The IEC 61406 standard, formerly called DIN SPEC 91406, and the VDI 2770 standard are well suited for this purpose. Let us explain how. We start with the IEC 61406 standard. Due to the rising relevance of digitization, the industry standard DIN SPEC 91406 was replaced by the international IEC standard 61406 in October 2022. The IEC 61406 states that each article, such as a valve or manifold, must be marked with a globally bi-unique identifier for physical objects. This unique number, called ID for short, is encoded in a QR code or RFID tag, which allow the unique identification of the components. What is the VDI 2770 standard all about? The standard VDI 2770 provides nifty guidelines how the digital manufacturer information must be structured for the process industry, like 1. The structure of product-related documents, 2. Data formats, 3. Scope of metadata, 4. And more related information to standardize the communication between suppliers and customers. Thereby, the VDI 2770 states that the manufacturer, such as AS-Schneider, must classify his manufacturer information into 4 groups: identification, technical characteristics, activity-specific documents, and contract documents. The manufacturer, such as AS-Schneider, provides the normed data packages via an online platform, the so-called cloud-based information exchange platform. Thereby, the user can access the data packages, which are structured according to the VDI 2770 standard and include human-readable PDFs for the maintenance staff, operators, engineers, and plant builders, machine-readable XMLs for easy integration into the customer's plant system, and the documents in their original data format. In the IEC 61406 standard and the VDI 2770 standard, you have 2 reliable guidelines for digitizing your components. Adding metadata is a lifesaver when it comes to finding relevant data, especially in larger projects with thousands of pages of documentation. We encourage you to try it out.